Greetings YouTube, Align Unleashed back at you right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Today is indeed April 22nd, 2020. And in today's video YouTube, we're going to take you guys back out to Berry Boulevard, to Farmer G's planter, and show you guys exactly what's going on with the strawberry plants that Farmer G is currently growing in our front yard garden extended grow area. Hang tight YouTube. Alright YouTube, alright, indeed we are on our way out to Berry Boulevard. Most of you who have been following our channel for a while are already familiar with Berry Boulevard and what we're currently growing on Berry Boulevard. But for those of you who are just recently joining our channel, we have 4 planters here on Berry Boulevard. I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown on exactly what we're growing here on Berry Boulevard. And this first planter, which happens to be Mrs. Grosedal's planter, we're currently growing cantaloupes and watermelons in this 2-foot by 5-foot Hugo-Culture garden planter. In Farmer G's planter, we're currently growing strawberries. This is our 3rd planter, in which we're growing raspberries. We named this planter and this particular plant after our dear friend Vicky Fox. Thanks, Vicky. And this is our 4th and final planter here along Berry Boulevard, in which we planted blackberries. And as you can see, they are doing quite well here. We named this particular planter Homestead and Hustle after our dear friends up there at Homestead and Hustle. You guys are indeed looking quite well here in our front yard garden extended grow area. But this video, YouTube, this particular video is about Farmer G and his strawberry plants. I'm going to give you guys a quick peek inside Farmer G's planter and show you guys exactly what's going on with his strawberry plants, YouTube. Take a look at this. Bam! Can you guys see that? Indeed, Farmer G has strawberries in various stages of ripeness here on his plants in our front yard garden extended grow area. We could not possibly be more pleased by what we see in this planter at this point in time. Again, strawberries in all various states of ripeness here in our planter. Small ones, little tiny green ones, some almost white, reaching the stage where they're about to turn red here in our front yard garden extended grow area in this planter. And again, Farmer G, and we even have blossoms down there. Can you guys see that? You guys see those blossoms down in there? Try to get it from behind this leaf so you can see it. Indeed, we even have blossoms in this planter, YouTube. But again, today is April 22nd, 2020. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what Farmer G's strawberry plants are currently looking like in our front yard garden extended grow area. You're looking good out here, Farmer G. Couldn't be more pleased by what we see, brother. We will indeed bring you guys back on harvest day, which will probably be tomorrow, for the majority of these red, the strawberries that are already red in this planter here. It'll probably be harvest day for those guys tomorrow. The rest will let stay until they actually attain a deep red color, like such as this one right here in this corner over here. We just wanted to show you guys exactly what was going on today, April 22nd, 2020, in Farmer G's planter. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing Quinault strawberries at Farmer G's planter, right here on Berry Boulevard at the Green Thumb Gardening channel, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia.